Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Jaguar Xf out of park. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on or the engine is running. This is a crucial initial step. Next, you must firmly press the foot brake pedal. This action is essential for safety and to allow the gear selector to operate. As you do this, the elegant rotary gear selector will gracefully rise from its flush position in the center console, indicating it is ready for use. Once the gear selector has risen, you can now choose your desired gear. To engage drive, gently rotate the dial clockwise. For reverse, turn it counterclockwise. The selector offers a smooth, tactile experience. Always confirm your selection by checking the instrument panel, where the chosen gear, such as D for drive or R for reverse, will be clearly displayed, ensuring you are ready to proceed safely. Occasionally, you might encounter a situation where the vehicle doesn't shift out of park immediately. First, double-check that your foot is firmly and fully depressing the brake pedal. This is the most common reason. Also, glance at your dashboard for any warning lights that might indicate a system fault. In some instances, a gentle jiggle of the steering wheel can release any minor tension, allowing the gear selector to operate smoothly. In rare emergency situations, if the electronic system fails, your Jaguar Xf is equipped with a manual park release. This mechanism is typically located near the gear selector or within the center console. It's designed as a fail-safe. For exact instructions on how to access and operate this feature, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual. This ensures you can safely move your vehicle even if the primary electronic system is not functioning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.